We've all heard that ACCA is a globally recognized qualification, that it's applicable in 180 plus countries. It's known as Global CA. But when we're considering ACCA and our siblings, our parents ask us just where can we work when it comes to ACCA, then we get back to thinking. In today's video, I'll exactly be answering this question on the 6 best places or the 6 most common places where ACCAs end up working. Here on this channel and at Zell, we provide training for a lot of these professional qualifications like ACCA, CFA, CPA, CMA, and much more. I'm Rashesh Majatia, I'm an ACCA World Ranker, and I work at Zell. If you do wish to get your conversation started with one of our counselors, please check the I icon here or the video's description. Reach out to our counselors and get the conversation started. Of course, there are a lot of ACCAs working in India. For the purpose of this video, since it's most of you in terms of an Indian audience watching this video, I'll be covering 6 international places which you can consider when you look at an international career from India. The very first one and the most obvious one would be the United Kingdom, even by extension, the whole of Europe. When you talk about the United Kingdom, there are 3 main qualifications which grant you that access to being an accounting professional in the country. It's that of an ACCA, an ACA, and an ICAEW profession. ACCA is the oldest profession and one of the most widely recognized and valued professions in the United Kingdom. You look at companies such as Deutsche Bank, HSBC, Santander, and many other financial services banks which hire ACCAs in the whole of United Kingdom. The second country, guys, is United States. In the United States of America, since the dollar is the world's economy and the currency in which most of the trade in the world happens, the spread for professionals in accounting working in the United States is vast. US has its own accounting qualification, which is the CPA, but along with it, a lot of chartereds from India, a lot of ACCAs, etc., do work in the United States in strong numbers. Again, you're looking at strong banks like the Citigroup, like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and much more when you're looking at jobs in the United States. While getting these jobs might be difficult, but once you do get your career started, the United States is one of the more lucrative destinations to be in as an ACCA. The third country I'd like to talk to you all about is Malaysia. Malaysia has an official MOU with ACCA, which allows an ACCA to act as a certified public accountant in Malaysia without giving any other additional exams or any other documentation. This means that an ACCA can act as the final signing authority in Malaysia, and that means it's fully and equally accepted for all the accounting professional jobs out there in Malaysia. The next, guys, I already spoke about Europe in general, but Germany is another up and coming hub where a lot of ACCAs are working. This is also because of Germany's well spread reputation across Europe as being one of those leading financial services destinations across the world. A lot of ACCAs do work in Germany and a lot of neighboring European countries. Next, coming back to our Asian hub, Singapore. Singapore again fully recognizes ACCA, and ACCAs have the signing authority there to operate as the country's highest accounting professional standard. So, if you are an ACCA from India, Singapore is a very, very strong destination that you must consider if you're looking to kick off your international career. Finally, guys, the 6th country which you might want to consider if you're an ACCA looking to get an international job is Canada. Now, the Canadian authorities had an MRA with ACCA, which is currently under renewal. This MRA was similar to that of Malaysia, and once someone became an ACCA, simply with the help of some documentation, they enjoyed the status of being a Canadian CPA as well. This process is currently under renewal, but of course, it will be renewed soon. So again, if you're an ACCA, you can also benefit from this MRA and become a Canadian CPA. Even if you're currently an ACCA and you cannot enjoy this benefit, ACCA as a standalone holds equally enough value in Canada, especially in the provinces of Toronto and Quebec, where you can work as a strong accounting professional, enjoying the well spread economy that they have. If you found this video to be helpful for you, please let us know in the comment section below on what other cities do you think have ACCAs working in strengths. Thank you.